Some questions. I want you to hear carefully and answer with the best of your understanding. Okay. My first question is, why do you study?
I study because I want to become army officer and to share my knowledge to another person.
Okay. And what is it that you like to study the best?
I like to study the science best because we do activities in that and I like activities and study about the things that are going around us.
Okay. So you like to understand the world around you and you like to do it through activities. Okay. And what do you find easy to do in class of the many things that you do?
I find easy in the classes that write my thoughts that I am thinking.
Okay. You find writing easier. Do you know why?
Because when I write, I am improving my English and I am also improving my thinking also.
Okay. And what do you find difficult in class?
I find difficult in class is that when you ask a question, I think in my mind and I have no confidence to say that to you
Okay.
because I think that when the answer is wrong,
Do what? You will scold. Okay. Will I scold?
no.
But you feel like that. Okay. Do you feel like that at home also?
No.
So you say whatever you want to say.
Sometimes.
Okay. Are you scared of me, Piyush? Okay. All right. So sometimes in class, when I give you work and you are done early, like everybody else is still doing work, but you're done early, and I don't give you extra work, what do you do in that?
I help my group to understand more about the work that you do.
Okay. And what happens when I give you something difficult to do that you find like really hard to do?
Didi, I discuss with my group what is the meaning of this question, and then I don't give right answer. I leave the question and move on.
Okay. And okay. And do you come back to the question?
Yes.
How?
When you discuss the question.
Okay. Can you give me an example of a lesson that you really liked?
The lesson I liked in science electricity because I like to learn more about electricity, how it runs and how the devices of electricity runs on electricity.
Okay.
And I like the diagrams of the electricity and symbols of the electricity
Okay.
components.
Okay. All right. And one lesson that you did not like?
Didi, water.
Can you say why?
Because Didi, we study the water in geography and science also, and they both are same.
Okay. So you just got bored.
Yes.
All right. Okay. And did you like the water in geography more or science more?
Didi, I like.
Or did you dislike geography more or science more?
I like science
More.
more because Didi, there is a sewage plant. I want to know more about the sewage plant, how the water gets clean, and Didi, how that comes to our society.
Okay. But you didn't care about knowing about what water is, which is what geography was telling you. Okay. Fine. Now, from the lesson that you liked, which was electricity, or interestingly, you are talking about sewage plant also that you liked. Can you tell me something that you use somewhere in your life, like some knowledge that you've already used somewhere?
Didi, when you gave us to make the project of the
what you were studying is now happening in practice. Okay. What do you think your strongest values are?
Didi, my strongest values are that peace.
Peace. Okay. You're a peaceful person. Okay.
And
Why is that important for you?
because Didi, when I will always angry, I can't understand what the other person is saying, and I am saying to them.
Okay. So, can you give me an example of a time when you think you were peaceful and one second. Yeah, an example of a time when you think you were peaceful and as a value it helped you, like that you practiced the value that you were peaceful
And Didi,
outside class.
When we go to the camp, this camp, we have made the project of the graphic novel. I was very
Peaceful.
peaceful and doing the work that my group is giving.
Without getting angry about. Were you doing a lot of work
Yes.
and you think everybody was not doing that much work?
No, Didi, or another person from the are also doing that work.
Do you think that was peaceful or do you think that was better teamwork?
I think this is better teamwork because
So then can you think of a more like appropriate example for peaceful? In a situation where it was hard to be peaceful and you were still peaceful outside class.
Didi, when Didi ma'am
Okay.
scold me, I am very peaceful and I listen what they are saying.
Okay. Peaceful is not like Didi I don't correct my mistake, right?
And
बोलने दो कोई बात नहीं मैं chill रहूँगा.
I also correct my mistake.
Okay. Okay. But this is still in class. Can you tell me of such a situation outside class? Like does it happen at home also? Do you get scolding? Or when you're getting angry and then you stay peaceful only? Or something?
Didi, when we are coming from the camp tomorrow,
Yesterday.
yesterday, yes,
Yeah.
there is an uncle that is scolding me and I was very peaceful and I don't saying anything.
Yeah. Oh, I know about that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's a very good example. Now, two last questions. Can you tell me of some problem in the community?
Didi, there's some problem in the community is that the pollution is getting very high.
Okay. Yeah. Is there something you think you can do about it?
Didi, yes, we can use the electricity cars and bikes and don't use the petrol and diesel.
But that is something we can do. Is there something you can do? Like something specifically, Didi, I will do.
I will do that. I don't use when I will grow, I don't use the petrol car and petrol bike. I
Okay.
use the battery.
Electric thing. But can you do something now before you're grown up?
Didi,
Or can you think of some problem, say that was in your class or in your home or school or community, that you have say you have taken some action to solve for?
Didi, that's the problem of garbage
Okay.
in our society.
Hmm.
When I go to the streets,
Hmm.
I see the garbage, some garbage, and I pick up that and put it into the dustbin that is there.
Very nice. Do you do it regularly?
No, Didi.
But you did it once?
Yes.
Okay. So what can you?
And we clean the school also.
Yeah. So you have a problem with garbage,
Yes.
and that is the action you took. Okay. Cool.